Oh, hi.
Hi, I was here to do the interview.
We have some other issues we need to discuss.
Can I shave first?
We wanted to let you know that you have been nominated as our Administrator of the Year by your secretaries, and you are our Administrator of the Year.
Oh my heck. That is so lovely. Thank you. And a cake to go. Oh, I know. When I'm speechless, you know that. Thank you, Secretary.
You know, he's very supportive and very open and very workable with, you know, what they do and understanding of how hectic an office professional life is.
Okay, push the button so it opens back up. I have worked with Mr. Grant for over 3 years, and he is one of the kindest principals you'll ever meet, and he always has the best interests of not only the students but also the staff.
They're the best. The good secretaries make good administrators, and I've got 4 of the best that are just really, really good and work hard, and I appreciate all they do. They make me who I am.